ki whenua rai ai atu la, mana ki tangata rai ai atu nas, whiria te tangata. And this is slightly different in the way it's written, so I'll just sing it how I remember you told me yesterday. Nan suju, nan suju, nan su, nan. I can't remember. Nan suju, nasaman. Thank you for that. Okay, all together. Tairua toru. Manaki whenua e for the land. Manaki tangata. Sorry, I was going to skip the English, I forgot. We the people together. Loud in Arabic. Manaki whenua e ayatullah. Same note. Go down first. Take your time. Breathe in. Heart, all of our hearts. Connect with others. Breathe out. See who's in the space. Look around. Come back to the earth. Rest. So you can resource yourself.
Family, my sister and my dad were both living in Wellington, and just this year they've both come up to Auckland. And I think grief, that there's the tragedy of the moment, but then also everybody responds so differently, and there were some really big ruptures in our family, as I'm sure is very common with lots of families, and hurting people hurt people, which is another reason why I wanted to make this festival, is because we have so many big feelings, right? Where this year I found myself so angry, and I found myself and often it comes out at the people around me, and I just want us to know that, everyone who's in this festival, we're all on the same side, and sometimes sometimes our pain comes out at each other, and having a safe space to kind of just come together and have someone else hold it so that we can breathe together and eat together, and it does not necessarily even having to achieve anything, because that can be really hard too, I think, when you're grieving and you have to be like, right, well, we need to go and fight the government about this and this, and everyone's disagreeing about the best ways to go about doing that, which is normal, and we absolutely do need to do that stuff too, but we also need to breathe out and share kai. Yeah, and listen to music. Yeah, but I think that the answers in the macro, in the small, and how we find peace within our family, I like to think that they could be extended. The same qualities that we need to bring in ourselves, the same kind of effort, the same sort of ways that we need to break down our walls and remember to see the humanity in each other. Because there were definitely years there where I didn't have a relationship with my dad, and I'm sorry to kind of bring that up, because now there is some beautiful footage of him and I in space together, and I just think we are a massive success story for peace in a strange way. We couldn't talk, and now we're in space and we love each other so deeply, and I kind of, therefore, because it's been possible there and we didn't think it would be, I have to believe that it's possible on a larger scale too. All those same sorts of things. Yeah, that same sort of, we can love each other.
I'm trying to tell you something about my life. Maybe give me insight between black and white. And the best thing you've ever done for me was to help me take my life less seriously. It's only life after all, yeah. There's more than one answer to this question, pointing me in a crooked line. And the less I seek my source, for some vicinities closer